All right, so today we're gonna take the top off because we gotta get back there. I've got a pedestal that I need to make for the amp. I've got some speaker cabinets we need to hang in the back and run those. Hoping by the end of today, we get to test this sound system and see just how good it sounds. Got a lot of work to do, and first things first, lid's gotta come off. So there's the little wood pedestal that the amp is gonna sit on. Obviously, we've got some space around that. Remember, we also have a box that goes back here and separates these into 3 different compartments. And so I'm gonna paint that stuff back there black, and then gonna get some carpet and stuff to wrap that pedestal that it's on. But that's about where the amp is gonna sit. I actually really like that. It came out a lot better than I thought it would. Got plenty of space to dump wires down the side. So we're getting there. I'm about to pull the lid off. All right, so underneath the hard top is obviously the convertible top there. And then you can see we've got our little amp stand there. And then these are the speaker cabinets that go in the back corners. I need to kind of get them shuffled in place. You can see I've got some hardware here for them. But everything should fit really nice and snug. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on getting the cabinets secured into the car. And then we will test fit. Well, actually, I'll probably go ahead and pre-drill the actual speakers into the boxes themselves. That way it makes it a little bit easier once we're ready to set these in for good, and then we can just put our speakers in the pre-drilled holes. But yeah, so here's how it's gonna look kind of back here. Once this panel is on, the amplifier can probably, the sub can scoot forward a little bit, but I think that's actually a pretty good placement. We've got plenty of clearance back here. We'll see just how much clearance once the speakers are in and kind of get this moved around. But this was all purchased as a kit, and so it should all fit in here nicely, but we'll see.
I'ma answer what time. Where was you around 3? I think I was outside. But you told me to stoop. We got there at like 5, but it's 7. Shit, I had